welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name is Cathie and today I've got 2 DIY doily crafts to share with you. That's kind of a mouthful. First up, I'm going to show you this cute boo ghost art. I'm using paper doilies and Mod Podge satin for that. And then I'm going to show you how you do these really cool pumpkins using crochet doilies. And you don't have to crochet these doilies. You can pick them up pre-made at the craft store. And I'm using fabric Mod Podge for that. All right, let's get started with these adorable crafts. I'm using these 3 wood frames that I got at Dollar Tree, plus my paper doily from Dollar Tree. I'm just cutting a very loose ghost shape. I did kind of eyeball the measurement, and I'm doing 1 per frame. Next, I'm going to attach them with Mod Podge satin. You could use gloss or matte here also, but the satin really blends in with that background. Let's go ahead and place your doily ghost down, and I'm smoothing with my finger and the brush. And then I'm going to let that dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to top coat the whole thing with more of the Mod Podge, and I'm coating the entire back of it so it all matches. Next, I'm going to paint these letters with some black folk art paint. These are just some wood craft letters. And I'm using a ruler and a piece of blue tape to line up where I'm going to hot glue them down. This is just a quick and easy tip for how you can line them up easily. So let's check our measurement. If it was a little bit off, you can easily move the blue tape up or down. Now I'm just going to attach with hot glue, and I'm putting those right into the ghost. And we're going to spell boo going across. This is so easy to do. It's a really fun, easy weekend craft project. You could do this in one night, no problem. Next, I've got some fun little flowers I'm just going to embellish my little ghosts with. Make them a little girly-fied there. I really think this is the cutest little thing. I cannot wait to put this on my mantle or in my windowsill. All right, next, let's work on that pumpkin. So I'm using a craft pumpkin and a store-bought doily. I'm going to remove the topper from the pumpkin, the stem, and I'm going to attach the doily with fabric Mod Podge. I'm adding a nice thick coat of that to the doily. This is technically the back side of the doily. If you had a pumpkin that the stem would not pull off of, you would just go ahead and sort of cut away a bit of the doily to fit over that stem. Once the whole backside is coated with Mod Podge, we're going to just place that onto the pumpkin. Now I'm doing this on kind of an angle because I wanted a little bit of an asymmetrical design. So if I spin it one direction, I get an asymmetrical design. And if I spin it the other way, I get a nice flat design. I'm using my fingers to really press and seal that down. And once it's dry, you just pop that topper back in, and look how gorgeous this turns out. That's the even or flat side. And then when you spin it around, you get that asymmetrical look. These look so sweet together. I just love these doily crafts. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.